So, Obi, I want to look like this. Is that possible? Be honest.
Obviously, genetics is going to dictate having shredded abs, but you can look lean. You can have a flat tummy. And with our diet program and this exercise program, you can get lean without a doubt.
So the ultimate test. You've been doing this, obviously.
Yes.
And it's worked for you. Congratulations.
It works. Thank you. Thank you.
So we got some women from the audience.
Okay.
Are you up for this?
I think
Obi?
so.
Let's do this.
Come on over.
Let's do this.
So, ladies, you're in. You do this 4 days a week, I'm hearing. And Morris and Obi have created a quick 10-minute workout that everyone at home can do. And one last thing, we're going to put an infographic on DrOz.com. So you don't have to memorize what we're about to do, but this is sort of the theme of this.
Absolutely.
Take it away, Obi.
Okay, this is a workout you can do literally in your living room. We're going to start off with high knees, okay? I don't know if you've ever done high knees before. Let's try it out. High knees is just like this, all right? And you don't have to go too crazy. Take your time, 10 seconds of this, all right? Quick 10-minute workout. Make sure you're breathing hard. You're looking good, Dr. Oz. Good form. Look at that. Look at that. Look at Dr. Oz. It's a good cardio movement, boot camp movement, okay?
I like it.
Now we're going to get down on the ground, do some mountain climbers. Very, very simple. Get down on the ground like this. Have your legs about 18 inches apart, and just go like this, all right? Mountain climbers. And take your time. This is not a race, it's a marathon, all right?
How many minutes of this
I would say you can do this about 10 to 15 seconds, 3 sets. All right, now we're gonna go into push-ups. Everyone's done push-ups. Not everybody can do regular push-ups, so you can do the modified version. I'm gonna do the modified version. I want everyone to do regular push-ups. You can do regular push-ups, right, Mo?
I think I can do a couple. I
couple.
know Dr. Oz can do
All right.
I know, I'm on you,
Modified
Morris. One leg up, one leg up.
Let's do a push-up.
One leg up.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on.
2.
There we go.
3.
We do 100. Oh, my goodness. It's getting easier. It's getting easier. I'm going to keep going. Whoa.
All right.
Oh, I can feel it getting easier and easier. How many do we do?
9 seconds, time. About 10 push-ups, that's it. 10 push-ups, that's it, okay?
What?
You do it with it. You do it.
I'm going to stop till you stop.
I thought he said 10 push-ups. We'll keep going.
Unbelievable. Wow.
Keep going.
Very impressive. I'm going to knock him out, okay?
Good job.
All right. That's a quick 10-minute workout you can do in your living room.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.